নমস্কার, সংবাদ প্রতিদিন ডিজিটালে আপনাদের স্বাগত। আমি রাজস্বী। আমার সঙ্গে রয়েছেন ভেঙ্কটেশ আইয়ার, ইন্ডিয়ান অলরাউন্ডার এবং একই সঙ্গে কেকেআরের সহ অধিনায়ক। আপনারা সবাই চেনেন তাকে। আসন্ন আইপিএল, সামনে আইপিএল আসছে, সেসব নিয়ে কথা বলবো ভেঙ্কটেশের সাথে। ভেঙ্কটেশ, very welcome to our show. And obviously, let's go back to the auction day first. मतलब उस दिन पे 23.75 crores. What was going through your mind when RCB and KKR fiercely bidding war जब चल रहा था उन दोनों के बीच में? आप क्या कर रहे थे?
I was watching. I was with my teammates in MP. I was with Rajat Patidar and Avesh Khan. Yeah, I was really happy when KKR was going all out for me. But yeah, at the same time, I was feeling a little anxious. But again, speaks volumes of how much they trust me. कितना फेथ दिखाया है उन्होंने मुझ पे। और उससे ज़्यादा खुशी इस बात की हो रही थी तब मेरे साथ पूरा मेरे स्टेट टीम के लड़के थे और वो मेरे लिए बहुत खुश हो रहे थे। तो एक स्पेशल दिन था इंडीड मेरे लिए।
So family का reaction, मतलब family was also very happy. I mean, you were talking that mother said that with big money comes more responsibility. So क्या मतलब conversation क्या था?
हाँ, obviously family बहुत खुश था and you know recently got married, so my wife was very happy and you know Lady Luck has worked for me and she was very happy। और अच्छा लगता है जब आप आपकी फैमिली को खुश करते हैं। कुछ मौके ऐसे आते हैं जब आप उनको खुश देखते हैं। बट माई मॉम being mother, she was always behind me that okay, enjoy this night but you know that you have an important tournament। आपको अभी मैं सैयद मुश्ताक अली ट्रॉफी खेल रहा हूँ, टीम के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट करना और साथ ही साथ ये ध्यान रखना कि केकेआर ने इतना भरोसा दिखाया है तो उस भरोसे पे खरा उतरना है।
Just tell me one thing, in IPL with big money comes big pressure. Last year we have seen what happened with Mitchell Stark. Uh, almost each and every press conference में उसको पूछा गया था, मतलब आपको 25 करोड़ करके लिया गया, प्राइस पर बॉल उसका कैलकुलेशन भी हो गया था. So this might come upon you this time too, right? I mean that thing. Are you ready for that?
See, I can't run away from it. To be very honest, मैं उससे दूर तो भाग नहीं सकता। It is what it is। देखिए, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि कोई प्रेशर नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है। प्रेशर तो ज़रूर रहेगा, पर वो प्रेशर सिर्फ प्राइस टैग का नहीं और 10 टाइप के प्रेशर्स रहते हैं जब आप आईपीएल खेलते हैं तो। लेकिन एक बार आईपीएल अगर स्टार्ट हो जाएगा तो फिर मैं वही करूँगा जो मैं एक 20 लाख का प्लेयर था तब जब करता था और एक अभी 20 करोड़ का प्लेयर हूँ तब कर रहा हूँ। तब भी मैं वही करता था। टीम के लिए कंट्रीब्यूट करना है, टीम के लिए 110% देना है और टीम की कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट हो उसको पूरा करने की कोशिश करनी है। तो वो नहीं बदलेगा। तो जब वो नहीं बदल रहा है तो मुझे यू नो अगेन प्रेशर रहेगा। मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे ऊपर नहीं रहेगा, बट आई थिंक वो प्रेशर को अब्जॉर्ब करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मेरे पास रहेगी।
But don't you think that this valuing a player with his by his price tag should stop? I mean, this is not a good thing, right? I mean, player
did not ask for it.
yes.
So it is wrong of a public to think that no, he does not. And see, in India, that's what I'm telling you. People feel that they are giving me this money, but again, you can't stop it. You can't stop it. So the best thing is to ignore it outright, and again, just focus on what is in your hand. And the only thing in your hand is to play well for KKR, and that's what I'm gonna do.
And coming back to KKR, obviously this time team is good enough, but we don't have मतलब 3-4 player जो है, मतलब they are vital cogs of the team last year, like Shreyas Iyer, Nitish Rana, and Phil Salt came in replacing Jason Roy last year. Mitchell Stark was there, so ये चार we are missing them this time. So as a leader, I mean आप अभी बोल रहे थे but you don't believe in taglines like captains and all. As a leader, आपका responsibility कितने how is going to increase more this time?
I think we've got like for like replacements. We've got Gurbaz, who I have really admired. He got the opportunity to play only 2 games and he did really well last season. We've got Quinton de Kock, who's a proven T20 opener and a wicketkeeper. We've got Spencer Johnson. We've got Anrik Nokia. So we've got replacements. We've got like to like replacements, and we've got a very good captain in Ajinkya Rahane as well. So I think as a vice captain, I think my role would just be to support Ajinkya. And again, once you take field, it's about the skill with your bat and ball. That's going to talk. And I feel the team is looking really solid. Team is gearing up, and we've got a great team combination. I really feel that together we would be able to achieve special things this year as well.
But what will be your batting position? I mean, you played in number of positions in KKR, but this time as a vice captain, number 4 might be.
See, my batting position has always been a floater. I've batted in multiple spots, and that's what I like. That's what I enjoy, to take up different responsibilities. I remember a game where I scored a half century against RCB, Next match, I'm going there to face only one ball, last ball of the innings. That happens in cricket, and that's how you contribute to the side, right? Whatever's being asked of you, you try and do it. So there is no fixed batting order in KKR. You always want to be that floater, and this is how it's going to be this year as well.
Okay, so I mean, the very first match you were facing RCB with, Rajat Patidar is the captain. So, any message for him? I mean,
Really happy for him, to be honest. I'm really happy for him. I've seen that boy grow through the ranks. He's one of my favorite batters in the country. For him to captain RCB, it's a proud moment for people from Indore. I'm from Indore. He's from Indore. It's a proud moment for us that one of our boys he's getting the opportunity to lead RCB. So I'm really happy for him. And yeah, it's going to be a great contest. It's always fun playing against Rajat and RCB. Very competitive side, and it's going to be a perfect start to the IPL. So I am really excited for it.
So you have a great Kolkata connection. Like you're a very big Saurav Ganguly fan. You're a big Mohan Bagan fan. You just came to know. And what are the things that you like about the city? And I mean, as a leader, do you draw inspiration from Ganguly?
Definitely, if I think about OG leaders in Indian cricket, Saurav Ganguly's name has to be at the top right there. Right along with MS Dhoni. I think what Dada has done for Indian cricket, no one can do that. He took care of Indian cricket in a time at a time where not everyone they gave India a chance anywhere. So I think it's extremely important for players like us to remember what Dada did, and I have idolized him, his batting, his ability to lead, his aggression. So I think my leadership is not like that. My leadership is to be able to give everyone an opportunity to feel like this is their team. That's what leaders do, right? I want to make everyone feel like this is their team and they want to contribute to the team's victory. Because at the end of the day, it's the individuals that come together to create a team. And if we are all in a good mental state and a physical state, then I think the results will follow.
Can you please elaborate your love for Mohan Bagan? I mean, there are so many Mohan Bagan fans out here.
Again, Mohan Bagan resonates football in India. I feel I haven't had the opportunity to watch a football game live here, but I would love to go and watch them play and interact with them. And I feel that as Indians, as a part of Kolkata now, it's our duty to keep promoting them, keep supporting them, and keep cheering for them. Because football in India, I've always looked up to Mohan Bagan. That's what football has meant for me.
And lastly, there is no Gautam Gambhir this time with the side. I mean, he was a great leader and obviously a great coach. So how could you miss him? I mean, is he irreplaceable?
Of course, I'll miss Gigi sir. I'll miss Abhishek Nair as well. But I think we've got an able replacement in DJ Bravo. He's the most experienced T20 cricketer ever. He's played more than 600 T20 games. So that speaks for itself of what he's done for the game. And to have him in the dressing room would be of great help. He's also someone who's extremely dynamic like me, who wants to do well with the bat, with the ball in the field. Always a fun character. So it'll be great working with him. We still have Chandu sir, who's been a stalwart in Indian cricket. And again, the staff is pretty much the same, but see, it's about finding that right connect with the coaches. And we've replaced Gautam Gambhir sir with DJ Bravo, who's the most experienced guy. So in life, you always want to work with new people. You want to understand new ideas. You want to take new ideas and try and implement it in your game. So I am really looking forward to working with Bravo and the other guys just to see what it adds to my cricket.
Lastly, for all Mohan Bagan fans, can we just once say Joy Mohan Bagan towards looking towards the camera? Joy Mohan Bagan.
Joy Mohan Bagan.
থ্যাংক ইউ আমাদের সাথে ছিলেন ভেঙ্কটেশ আইয়ার, যিনি একজন বিশাল মোহনবাগান ফ্যান, আপনারা জানতে পারলেন। সংবাদ প্রতিদিন ডিজিটাল দেখতে থাকুন, এরকম আরও অনেক এক্সক্লুসিভ কন্টেন্ট থাকবে। নমস্কার।